Hey friends, if you wish to install XAMPP in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for it in the browser. Let's say I'll go to google.com and then I'll search for it here. And then I'll go to the download page. I'll select whether I have a 64-bit version or 32-bit version. Actually, it has a 64-bit version only. So I'll pick the latest one. Okay. And then once this is done, it will start downloading. If it doesn't, then just click here and it will download it. Now the installer is an exe file, so all I need to do is click on the option to open it, and when I click on the option to open it, it will start installing the application straight away. This is what is required from my end. The rest will be done automatically. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.